Yay!
They were running multiple speakers out of one output. And then this whole wire pulls out. Yeah. I don't know if I have enough of them. I have to go into parts and see. Hey, we need to order a bunch of these butt connectors, and Kurt was like, "Oh yeah, what happened to those?" Oh, that might be it. I'm gonna go with this one.
Okay. How many do you need?
I think I need all 20. This one either. And they did a number on my factory antenna connector. I'm missing the plastic for it. Have to make one. I love it when they don't install it tight. Well, that's their factory antenna.
Excuse us. Hola.
I hope we
disconnect the battery.
No. That's step.
Nope.
That's step 2.
We're taking this.
We're just gonna take this and see if it works.
Yay!
We're making noise now.
So diagnosis?
Needs an amp.